Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the BYD Destroyer 05, but this time we are not going to focus only on the good things. We are going to talk about the real pros and cons of the car. What makes the Destroyer attractive? What's the biggest weakness? In this hybrid system, real is efficient, people say, and after real world use in this car actually worth buying. Let's start with the advantages. The first major advantage is fuel economy. The BYD Destroyer 05 uses BYD DMI plug-in hybrid system, which allows the car to use electric power for many everyday trips. If you charge the battery regularly and must drive around the city, you can specifically reduce your gasoline consumption. For people who drive every day, this can make a big difference in runs costs. The second advantage is the smooth drive experience. When the car is operating in the electric power, acceleration is smooth and quick. There are not traditional gear changes that you normally feel in a convenient gasoline car, so driving the traffic is comfortable and relaxable. The third advantage is the flexibility of the hybrid system. You can use electric power for shorter trips and still have a gasoline engine available for long journeys. This is one of the biggest advantages compared with a fully electric vehicle. You don't have to depend completely on charging station when you are traveling long distance. Another strong point is the technology. The BYD Destroyer 05 offers a modern interior and large central screen, digital display, cameras, electronic assistance systems, and many other functions. For its price range, the amount of equipment can be very attractive. The next advantage is comfort. The car is designed primarily for everyday driving, and the suspension and electric power delivery make it comfortable in the city traffic. It can also be a practical choice for people who spend a lot of time behind the wheel. Now let's talk about disadvantage. The biggest benefits a plug-in hybrid came when you actually change the battery. If you don't have convenient access to charging, you won't be able to take full advantage of the electric side of the car. In that station, a gasoline engine will have to work more often. Another possible disadvantage is service and part availability. This depends heavily on your country and city. Before buying BYD Destroy, it's important to find out whether you have access to qualified technicals, original parts, software support, and warranty service. The next issue is the amount of technology. At first, all the screen and electric function looks impressive, but for some owners, a large number of means and settings can be confusing. It can take time to learn where everything is and how each function works. Another thing to consider is battery performance. The battery is one of the most important and expensive components of the plug-in hybrid. That does mean the battery will amount to have problems, but used car should always check it carefully. If you are buying second-hand Destroy, check the battery condition, charging system, hybrid operating, warning light, and service history. Now let's talk about highway driving. The BYD Destroyer is very comfortable for normal driving, but this isn't a performance car. During strong acceleration, especially at the high speed, a gasoline engine can become more noticeable. So if you're looking for a spotty drive experience, there may be better choice. Another disadvantage is that the real fuel consumption depends heavily on how you use the car. The number you see in adventure may not match more personal result. Temperature, traffic speed, driving style, air condition, and charging frequency can all change the final consumption. So now let's summarize. The biggest advantages of the BYD Destroyer are fuel efficiency, smooth electric drive, hybrid, flexible, modern technology, comfort, and potential low running costs. The main disadvantages are the need for regular charging to get the maximum benefit possible, limited in service and part availability. The complex of same electric features and the fact that real-world fuel consumption depend heavily on your drive. So, in the BYD Destroyer 05 worth buying, I think it can be very interesting option if your priority are low fuel consumption, comfortable city driving, modern technology, and the flexible or hybrid system. But before buying one, don't just look at the price and fuel economy. Check the availability of service, spare parts, charging, operating warrant, and the condition of the specific vehicle. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the biggest advantage of the BYD Destroyer 05? And what do you think its biggest weakness? Leave your option in the comments. If the video was useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more BYD reviews, real world test, maintenance video, and car tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.